Hi, it's Nick from Hobby Electronics with another weekend print. In this video, I'll be 3D printing some hooks to better mount this LED strip to the bottom of my desk, as the double-sided tape wasn't adhering to the textured surface properly. With a few hooks printed, we can then use some small screws to mount these to the bottom of the desk. I'll be first holding one of the hooks in place to find out where the screws need to be put, and then pre-drilling the hole with a 2.5mm drill bit, then screwing it in place. Be sure not to go too deep and select a short enough screw so that you don't go through the other side of the material. Subscribe for more weekend prints and check out the playlist for more videos like this.